So, here's the situation. There's a hurricane coming, and I've decided why not document the experience just in case if anything interesting happens. Hopefully nothing interesting happens, so this will be pointless, but in the event that something does happen that is relatively interesting, you guys can be there with me. I don't know how long I'll be out if I don't have power. I don't know how long I won't have power, so editing this may come out a month after this was recorded, but I'm still making it, so yeah. Currently it's Thursday. I believe it's a couple days till impact. I'll have like a title card or something, letting you guys know. But yeah, so yeah, it's currently 3:36 right now, so it's evening-ish. We just got done setting up the house. Yeah, I will be back with something interesting starts happening. It does not look. Come over here. I'll tell you, it does not feel like it's the calm before the storm, as they say. But yeah, I'm telling you, it's very kind of creepy in a sense because it doesn't feel like it's gonna hit, but it is. See you if something interesting happens. Okay, so currently it's like a day after the previous segment. Hurricane is now hit. As you can tell, it's not that bad, but it's also not ideal. I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that happened with the hurricane. I'll show you right now. So yeah, as I said, it's not too pretty, but it could be worse. We still currently have power here. Power. Still power. We still have power. But you know, we still have power. All internet is gone, so that's always fun. Yeah, at the moment actually I'm just brainstorming ideas for different videos, just trying to get some work done, because I do want to continue doing this, you know, with you guys. Maybe not vlog form, but still videos in general. I'll give you an update. Supposedly the actual major part of the hurricane is supposed to hit in about 30-40 minutes. So if it does hit, I'll update you with that. Yesterday, I told you I was going to vlog the city game. We ended up winning 5-0, so it probably would have been good to vlog. But I did not, for the sake of storage and for the sake of battery life. But yeah, we won 5-0, Monday red card. I think well deserved, but it's just my opinion. But yeah, so we had also a tornado warning, a couple tornado warnings last night, and that was not ideal because it was a little bit, like, we've had tornado warnings before, but this one, due to the fact of the hurricane, seemed a little bit more realistic, and nothing came out of it, so you know how that goes. But anyway, I'm actually really thankful that we're not getting hit with too much force, but we are still getting hit. That's the reality. I'll come back and I'll check in whenever something more interesting happens, which will hopefully be soon. That way I can be motivated to pick up the camera. Okay, see you in a second. So, another day has passed. Yesterday I really didn't record anything because the power went out. And I did not want to use up all the camera battery, which I realize now was pretty dumb because now the most, interesting stuff is gone. But I guess now we can work on cleanup. The hurricane is for the most part past. It's still sprinkling outside. So yeah, it's Monday. Can you hear it? Can you hear that? I'll show you outside. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's still raining. It just started pouring. We were about to start cleaning up outside. But I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, and then we will hopefully have the rain stop, and we will begin cleanup. Hello everyone, this is going to be the final part of the vlog, which just came to a conclusion now because the hurricane has now passed. Yay! We are so happy for that. Anyway, we have not been too affected, which was a sigh of relief. Because I have seen some very bad things happen to other people, other neighbors even, as far as their trees coming down. Like, one of my neighbors, his tree completely just fell down. We, on the other hand, were so lucky to not have any of that happen to us, and we are just kind of, in a sense, blessed. I mean, it's a very good thing. But besides all of that, once again, I'm just thankful for all. Sorry, where was I? I'm just thankful for all of this to be happening the way it happened, and that it didn't go to a fatal route or anything else along those lines. So, but with Hurricane Irma aside, or Irma, or however you say it, we have the channel to think about, the videos. Like, I know I've been gone for a bit for videos wise, but I think that now more than ever there's